Hello viewers, a very warm welcome back to Reflux. In this video, I am going to discuss the detailed video solutions to questions that came from subject Power Electronics and Gate 2 of Electrical Engineering. Basically, 6 questions came from Power Electronics, 2 of 1 mark and 4 of 2 marks, total 10 marks, which were of moderate to difficult level. In this video, I am going to start the detailed video solution question number 27, which is 1 mark MCQ type, as you can see, from subject Power Electronics, based on input power factor. Question number 27 in the master question of Gate 2 Electrical Engineering from subject Power Electronics is as follows. It is given the input voltage V of t and current I of t of a converter are given by V of t equal to 300 sin omega t volt, I of t equal to 10 sin omega t minus pi by 6 plus 2 sin 3 omega t plus pi by 6 plus sin 5 omega t plus pi by 2, where omega equal to 2 pi into 50 radian per second. The input power factor of the converter is closest to, and the options are given as A 0.845, B 0.867, C 0.887 and D 1.0. So let's move on to solution this question. Pretty simple question based on input power factor. Okay. Converter is given na? Converter current, voltage and current is given, right, as you can see. Now to find the input power factor, we need to first know the definition of input power factor. क्या होता है definition? देख लेते हैं कुछ पहले. Input power factor, abbreviated as IPF, is given by displacement power factor abbreviated as DPF into current, also called DF sometimes, displacement factor or displacement power factor, to current distortion factor, CDF. Displacement power factor is nothing but the cos phi 1. It is the difference, the cosine of the phase angle between the fundamental voltage and the fundamental current. In this case, as you can see, omega t and omega t minus pi by 6. So pi by 6, so phi 1 here in this case is pi by 6. Okay. So phase angle between the fundamental voltage and current components, fundamental frequency, voltage and current components. And as you can see, we have to need also another factor which is current distortion factor, CDF. Current distortion factor क्या होता है? ये तो हो गया आपका DPH, जैसे आपका हो गया V1 I1 cos phi 1. Of course, RMS values. CDF क्या होता है? CDF हो गया current distortion factor, मतलब it is the ratio of the RMS value of the fundamental component of the current to the total current RMS value. इधर कितने components है RMS current waveform में? Fundamental frequency, third harmonic and fifth harmonic. So there are 3 in I1 RMS, only the RMS value of fundamental frequency, that is 10 by root 2 will appear, and in the denominator we have the RMS value of the total current waveform, which is under root 10 by root 2 square plus 2 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square, right? 10, 2 and 1 the coefficients, the amplitudes, the different frequency components. So fundamental RMS by total RMS, we get what? We calculate it, root 2 cancels, right? So So we are left to 10 by root 100 plus 4 plus 1, that is 10 by root 105. Okay, or also you can get it as simplified and get it to 20 by 21. I'm not calculating the values, you can directly put it in the virtual calculator. virtual calculator सीधा पुट करने से इसका आंसर निकाल सकते हैं, वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. DPF निकाल लेते हैं तो CDF निकल गया हमारा. DPF कैसे निकलेगा? बहुत ही आसान तरीके से निकल जाएगा. V1 का फंडामेंटल RMS कंपोनेंट क्या है? 300 मैक्सिमम है तो 300 by root 2. I1 क्या है? 10 by root 2. 10 मैक्सिमम है तो 10 by 2 उसका एम्पलीट्यूड by root 2. And cos phi is what? Cos of pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. So you put the values, you get DP will have only this. Because phi. You will get the power, fundamental power. This is so simply we have to put here. Simply we have to put here cos of pi by 6. This displacement power vector is cosine of the phase angle between the voltage and fundamental voltage and fundamental current. So it will be cos of pi by 6. That is the phase difference, phase angle. So cos of 30 degree, which is root 3 by 2. So the input power factor we get it as DPF, that is root 3 by 2 into CDF, the current distortion factor, that is 220 by 21. You can put this in the virtual calculator and you will get, I think, this cancel 7, I think root of 5 by 7. So I think the value comes up equal to square root of 0.714. This is approximately comes out to be, I think, 0.845. So to calculate using virtual calculator, you can put this in the virtual calculator after simplifying root 5 by 7, square root of 5 by 7. I think we will get close to 0.845, which exactly matches option A. So the correct answer for this question is option A. That is the input power factor of the converter for the voltage and current waveform equations are given. V of t and I of t respectively is 0.845. Is option A. Correct answer for this question is option A. The solution is clear and comprehensive. If you still have any doubts or queries, please ask in the comments. And that's all for solution to this question. Thank you.